Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a refresher on vacation. So I took my travel size, step 3 curly for curly hair, which is great for my hair. And I have my water bottle, my handy dandy water bottle, and my denim brush, and my diffuser with its attachment, of course. Can't live without it. So now we're taking our water bottle and we're spraying it with our hair. Not to soak your hair, but enough to run a brush through it. And then I take my step 3, curly for curly girls, and I run it through my hair. And I apply some more, and I run it through my hair again. And that's it. That's all I need to refresh my hair. I don't apply any more product after that. So now I split my hair up into sections, and this is the first section that I did. I did it in half. So raking it through, and I'm using my denim brush to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. So now I'm at the top of my hair, and I'm gonna part it again into another section. It's good to do sections for refreshers. So that way you can evenly distribute your product and your curls will come out really nice. So I put more water in this part again, and then I run my denim brush from the bottom to the top. So that way I evenly distribute the water and the product I already put in from the first half. So I brush through it, and then I do the same on the other side. I noticed that I needed more water, so I put more water, and then put the brush right through it, making sure the product is evenly distributed again, so your curls can come out popping. So now I'm taking the top of my head, doing the same thing again with water, water, water. Water is your best friend. Water is the key to the LUS products. Less product, more water. Now that I'm done, I'm just combing through my hair. And I forgot my microfiber towel, so I used my next best friend, which is a cotton t-shirt, and I am drying the excess water. And now the next step is my handy dandy diffuser. I put high heat and high speed, and I use 30 seconds for each section. I try not to pass the diffuser so much, so that way it creates less frizz. I learned that tip from a fellow YouTuber. And I use my hand as I'm diffusing, passing it through, and the curl definition is awesome already. And now I'm done. This is day 2 hair, and it's voluminous as you can see, just using step 3. Please hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.